Jai Hind, I'm Vedana Singh and you're most welcome in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to do the MCQ of unit Nutrition in Animals and the next chapter is Heat. This video is for class 7 science. So first question is, which of the following tests describe halozoic nutrition? So, the options are absorbing from environment, ingestion and digestion food, and absorbing through roots and photosynthesis. Among the four options, that is B is a correct option, that is ingestion and digestion food. Now the next question is, in human, where does the majority of nutrient absorption occurs? The options are stomach and small intestine, large intestine and mouth. And the correct answer is that is small intestine. The next question is, what is the role of villi in small intestine? The options are increase absorption area, break down food, produce in enzymes, transport nutrition. Among these four options, that is A is a correct option, that is increase absorption area. Now the next question is, which of the following is true about the digestion in grass eating animals? The options are no bacteria needed. The second is single chambered stomachs, and the C is fermentation break down cellulose, and the D is absorbing nutrients from the air. Among these four options, that is C is a correct option. The options are fermentation breaks down cellulose. Now the next question is, which of the following organism uses phagocytosis for the nutrition? The options are human, amoeba, cow and rabbits. The correct answer is that is amoeba is a correct option. Now the next question is, which of the following is a method of heat transfer? The options are absorption, conduction, digestion and reflection. The option B is a correct answer, that is conduction. The next question is, what is the best conductor of heat? The options are wood, plastic, metal, air. Among these options, the C is a correct option, that is metal. The next question is, what process allows warm air to rise and cool air to sink? The options are conduction, convection, radiation and insulation. The options B is a correct option, that is convection. Now the next question is, which method of heat transfer does not require a medium? The options is conduction, convection, radiation and insulation. The option C is a correct option, that is radiation. Now the next question is, which of these an example of radiation? The options are heat moving through a metal rod, boiling water in a pot, heat from the sun and warm air from a heater. Among these four options, the option C is a correct option, that is heat from the sun. So with this if you have any confusion, you can ask me the question in the comment box so that I can reply you. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.